Fam is back with another video. Alright, so we just finished recording this video, but we forgot to do some plugs. Because plugs actually do work. Yeah, they work. So number one is like the video. Leave a like. Just pause the video and just like it. That's all we ask. Like, we give you a lot of value. Just like the video. Thank you. You don't lose anything. Yeah, just okay. They liked it already. He already liked it. I just want to say they liked it. And I think that's it. There's the Moose Twins podcast as well. It's just our videos in podcast format. So if you watch the videos, it won't be useful. But if you don't have time to watch the videos, you can listen to it in the car. Yeah, that's all. Alright, that's all the plugging for today. Delete! Woo! Alright, so this is an income report video. We gotta do a little thing here. We gotta do a little thing here. Okay. So, income report video. I've been doing this once a month for like 3 months in a row now. This might be the last one I do because, I mean, I'm not going to be working on Killer Publishing anymore, so it's going to start tapering off. Yeah. I mean, I guess if you guys want to see how it tapers off, I'm sure they do. Of course they do. Yeah, I'm sure they do, which is perfectly cool. Okay, but I'm assuming I put it in the title / thumbnail how much I made, but I'm going to clap, and then you go see how much I made on ACX. Well, bam! Woo. Well, bam! Now you can't see it, but now you can see it fully. That's okay. I only have ever seen anyone make that much. Yeah, that's I like that number. You know what that's deserving of? That's pretty exciting. What? Money dance. Money dance. That's the money dance. Okay. Yeah, I guess some money dance. Yeah, because that's a lot of money. I mean, so yeah, that was my ACX in May. $11,934.92. So I can end the video right here. Just but I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show you some more shit. Let me ask you some questions. What? Let me ask some questions about it. Me? Yeah. Okay. All right. So, how much time did you spend working on this business in May? Oh, let's see. Oh, none at all. And how much money did you invest in May? How much? Oh, none. Nothing. This is true. Stop. I need a second. I've never heard something so silly. Because I kind of like forgot about that. Yeah. Bruh. Yeah. That's fucking crazy. This was my May, and you could literally have been dead. Yeah, I could have been dead. I spent $0. So yeah, people always ask, expenses so expensive. My expenses were nothing. This was my profit in May. And that's so crazy. I didn't work a single second on it. Okay, I haven't been publishing since March or April. Like this is like what everyone wants. Yeah, this is passive income at its finest. All right. But I'm gonna show you some more shit. So this isn't all the money I made in May. So I have this income report spreadsheet. I have an income report spreadsheet that I put all my numbers in, which you should be doing too. Accounting is important. Good to know. I can make a video about accounting. If you're serious about it, you definitely need some shit going on. Okay. We just recommend the software that we use. Yeah. Anyway. So, like that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. You're thinking taxes. I was thinking like making an Excel spreadsheet. Like, no. Accounting for tax purposes. Yeah. Yeah, for tax purposes. Yeah, we could totally do that. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you in here. I don't know anyone that shows you this much shit. Who shows you this much shit? No one shows you this much shit. Where are my incomes coming from? All broken down. Total income for 2018. This is 6 months so far. No, that's only 5 months. Yeah, I haven't filled out that yet because we don't know all the numbers. Yeah. But yeah, this is everything. And what I really want to point out is, first of all, the jump that I made with ACX. February 2,782. Oh, I jumped almost $10,000 in 3 months with ACX. $5,000 in 1 month. Yeah, and then another $3,000 almost the next month, and then $1,500 next month. Yeah, like ACX is different, guys. Who else do you know can do that? Yeah, it took me 12 months to scale up to $10,000 with CreateSpace and Kindle and ACX combined. Yeah. But with just ACX, I was able to add $10,000 to it in 3 months. I mean, this is what the fuck we're talking about. We say like ACX is the shit right now. Yeah, it is the shit. For reasons like that. Yeah, so I posted a screenshot of this in the publishing group or in a few of them, and people have hit me up since then, which is cool. I like talking to people, but a lot of people have been asking for an ACX course. A lot of people have been asking for an ACX course, and for good reason. Like, yeah, I understand why you want to learn more. I mean, we share everything you need to know on our YouTube channel with free videos, basically. But an ACX course would definitely put things together a lot better.
There's totally more. There's much more to share.
Yeah, I mean, we don't hold anything back, but you can certainly get like ultra descriptive. And super specific with things. So that like a YouTube video can't really cover.
That said, if you guys want an ACX course,
should we make one? Should we make an ACX course? Just think about that, and then let us know in the comment section.
If we get a lot of yeses,
yeah. I mean, we've been thinking about it recently. We've been looking a little into it.
Yeah, that sounds like it's something I kind of would like.
Yeah, and it's not even because I want to make a fuckload of money with it. I mean, sure I do, but we could gain a lot of experience.
Yeah,
a lot of online marketing.
We need to go down that line of online courses eventually.
So
we gotta get started somewhere. You know what I mean?
The best time was doing it 20 years ago. Second best time is right now.
So
yeah. But the last thing I want to draw people's attention to in this video is I've done some personal coaching. So I've made $700 so far with personal coaching. I haven't done it very much. I've done like 4 sessions. I did a couple $100 sessions. Like, okay, this is not worth my time. It just honestly was not. When I'm making like $300, $400, $500 a day doing nothing, spending a lot of time doing a coaching call for an extra $100 didn't make sense. So then upped it to 200, and still. That's just I'm about to up it soon. But if anyone wants personal coaching, like it's something we do offer. I'm not out to promote it, but now you know about it. So I mean, you can hit us up if you want.
I just want to make this clear. Like when it comes to ACX, like we have the same amount of knowledge when it comes to ACX. Like I know everything he does as well.
You didn't put in all the work that I did.
There's totally reasons. There are totally reasons for why I am not making the same money you are for ACX. Yeah, there was a period of time where you were working much harder than I was.
January and February, the only thing I did was work on ACX.
Yeah. So there's that. Like I totally admit to that. And then you started with Kindle Publishing early in the first place. So you had many more books.
This is not my water.
This is my water. You leave the cap on. So I'm going to take a sip right now.
Leave the cap on because you're going to take a sip.
And then you started Kindle Publishing earlier than I did. So you had
a lot more books to work with.
AKA a lot more bundles to be made.
Yeah.
And like we talk about bundles like.
Yeah. I had so many bundles to be made. Yeah. I had so much more content that I can make into audiobooks. And I was going harder at it, and just the way I was doing it was just more successful.
Yeah. And then also, you guys know ACX codes are like fucking key here as well, right?
After a while, like if you abuse them, I guess that's the right word. Yeah. If you make a lot of money with them, they'll take them away from you.
There's a thing, like I fucked up somewhere with that. Like they took my codes away for some reason. I don't know why. Like that's something we need to figure out so we can prevent others from the same thing happening. But yeah, so I lost my codes and I was not able to apply them to all my bundles, and that really fucked me up. You know, if that had happened, like I'm telling you, I would have had a big one as well. Probably not your size, but I had 10 bundles ready to publish. I was ready to get my codes and they wouldn't give them to me.
Yeah, so they actually took my codes away last month as well, but I was already done publishing.
Yeah, so
I didn't really care. But okay,
but yeah, we will find out a way so that you're not going to get your ACS codes taken away.
Yeah,
Anyway,
so the last thing I want to say: total income over $14,000.
That being said, I do coaching as well.
You've been coming back to the beginning of the last couple of minutes. This isn't even your video, bro.
I just had to finish it off with that.
You've never done coaching, so.
Yeah, but I will do it as well. Is what I'm saying. I want to do coaching.
Okay. Total income $14,000. That's the end of the video. Bye.